Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Brad and Steven isn't here today, but I'm just gonna be doing a little fishing video, and well, I'm just gonna start and go off. So yeah, we're going to the lake. We're gonna be doing some tubing.
Go to the river.
Yeah, river, and I'm with my dad, my brother, and my uncle. And we're going to be doing, just some tubing, and then, yeah, so, okay, see y'all in a little while. Okay, guys, still on the road. It's been a little while, so, and, yeah. Hey, guys, so I'm using my phone to film, and that I don't want to risk putting it in a plastic bag because this one has a hole. So I'm not gonna be able to get underwater footage, but so I don't have a GoPro either. So yeah, but it's still gonna be pretty cool. Hey guys, we're almost here guys, almost here. So oh my gosh, look at this.
Oh wait, no.
This is amazing. Okay, I'll get back to y'all when we're in the raft. Hey guys, well, we're at the lake, and so we're pulling our raft in. We got our fishing poles ready. I actually was just casting right over there a little, but so I'm pretty sure it was a catfish. It was either bass or a catfish. I didn't catch it, but it was taking my bait. So yeah, pretty cool. It's running pretty fast, so I'm probably not gonna be able to go fishing at this part, but I'm gonna be going fishing at another part, right? So you should take a video when we're starting to go off, maybe. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. I'll see y'all.
Okay, hello guys, this is Alec. Check out my channel, I'll put it in the description. This is Bradley, and yeah, y'all already know.
Two little bluegills and then one bass.
So he's already caught two bluegills about, I'm just doing camera perspective, we put it up like that big. And probably the bass I can't even show because it's kind of big. Kind of, I don't know, it was like, wait, Dad, show how big the bass was.
This big. That big.
It was that big, yeah. Okay, we'll update you later. He just caught the biggest fish today. It is a bass. We don't know how big it is, but he's gonna let it go.
Did you start it? Showing y'all the waterfall we came up to. That's the waterfall, and then yeah, so it leads down to the bigger river.
I got it. More waterfall over there.
This is a side creek beyond where the river is.
Yeah.
Very cool.
That's it.
Very cool. Very cool. Here's our boat. All right.
That's not the video.
Look at that waterfall. That is awesome. There's another one out there. Oh yeah. over there.
Yeah. Okay, end the video. So guys, that was a good day at the lake. Well, I got 9 fish, was it?
9 fish.
9 fish.
Yes, you did.
And yeah, it was really fun. On the way out, I got one, and I got 1 catfish, a lot of bass, a 10-incher one, and I got some bluegills. So yeah, 9 fish in all. But
1 catfish, 3 bass.
yeah, some I don't know, something like that. But yeah. So it was a good day at the lake. See y'all in the next video.